Okay, this week's topic is using Pythagoras theorem to work out the longest side in a right angled triangle. Okay, so formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, and I need to substitute my values in to work out the side that I am missing. Now I know I'm working out my longest side because the longest side is opposite the right angle, and that's the one that is missing in this question. So I'm working out the c in my formula. So I've got a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I squared my two shorter sides. So I have 8 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. Okay, 8 squared is 8 times 8, so that's 64. Add 6 squared, which is 6 times 6, add 36 equals c squared. Now 64 add 36 is 100, and that is still equal to c squared. Now I don't want c squared, I want c on its own because I want to know the length of this side. So I need to square root, do the inverse to get c on its own. So square root of 100 equals c, therefore 10 equals c, or c equals 10. Now because the units are centimeters, my missing side is 10 centimeters. Okay, next example. Again, I have to work out which side I am working out. Now again, the side that's opposite my right angle is my longest side, and that is the side that is missing. So again, I am working out c. I'm working out my longer side. So I substitute my values in. I have 35 squared add 12 squared equals c squared. Okay, I then work these out using a calculator. Okay, 35 squared in my calculator is 1225. Add 12 squared, which is 144, equals c squared. I then add these two values up, so 1225 add 144, and I get 1369 equals c squared. Again, I don't want c squared, I want c on its own because I need to know the length of this longer side. So I square root 1369, okay, and that will give me c. So square root of 1369 in my calculator is 37, and that equals c. And because the units are millimeters, my final answer is 37 millimeters. Okay, and now I want you to have a go at these questions on your own. If you're in set 5, I'd like you to do the 4 questions in red. If you're in set 4, have a go at the questions in green. Once you are done, take a picture and upload your work onto class charts.